back to Modestly Maski. I'm Maski Lai, and today we will be making some vegan potato salad. Hope you enjoy. Let's get started. So we have our potatoes. I just took some potatoes. You can use red, white, whatever potatoes you want. I steamed my potatoes, and then I peeled the potatoes, and then I'm going to just chop them up in medium-sized cubes. Okay, now potato salad, I know that that's something that most people say you cannot make potato salad without your eggs, and I tell people all the time, yes you can. Yes you can. I've been vegan all my life, and I've never had an egg in 38 years, okay? So we're just gonna do some medium-sized cubes. We have our vegan-nays that I will do a whole nother video and show you how to make it. We call it soy butter, but it's just milk, salt, and oil, and it's the base to the cheese, different salad dressings, different a lot of different stuff, your onion dip, everything. It's the base to all of that. So I'll do a whole nother video and show you how to make that. So we have our potatoes already diced up. You see, medium-sized cubes. And we have our diced onions. You want to have them medium to small. You have your different color peppers. You can add your yellow, whatever color you have. You want your bell peppers. Then you want your pickles diced up, medium to small. And then you're going to have your main ingredients are going to be salt. I have pink Himalayan sea salt. I have brown sugar. I have apple cider vinegar. And I have a little turmeric here and a drop of nutritional yeast. Now, this is optional right here. Most of the time, if I have, you can add a little bit of mustard if you have, or if you want. This is all to taste. Now, what I have right here is my homemade, what we call soy butter. You can use vegan-nays or any type of vegan homemade butter, or any type of vegan nays or anything you can buy from the store. They have so many options. I will show you how to make this from scratch. The base here is soy milk, salt, and oil here, okay? And this is the base. This is the base for your cheeses, tartar sauce, a lot of salad dressings, onion dips, all type of stuff. So I will do a separate video and show you how to make the soy butter or the vegan-nays. And what's key here is that you find the balance between your vinegar, your sugar, and your salt. So that's extremely key when you're making potato salad. So you want that perfect balance between the three of them. So that's extremely important. So we're going to just start putting our vegetables inside of the potatoes, and we're going to get started. Got our onions in, put our peppers in, put our pickles in. Now, at this point, we put our soy butter. So you can slowly put this and add more if you need. Now, as you always know, I always make huge batches of food. This is way more than what my family would eat. I'm actually making this to share with some people. So You can, that's why I'm not giving you measurements here, because most of this stuff with things like this, with these type of salads, is by taste, really. Okay, so now we're going to just add some of the sugar. And like I said, we want to leave some because this is one of those dishes that you have to just stop and taste and see, you know, if you need to add a little bit of something else, okay? So you just slowly add your ingredients here. And to me, turmeric just, first of all, it's so good for you, okay? And it just takes it to another level. I'm gonna add a drop of nutritional yeast, but again, that's optional. So I'm not putting too much of that. Now, I'm gonna wash my hands because this is one of those dishes that you get your hands in there, okay? I'm not even gonna pretend like I don't. I make sure that my hands are clean and I whip it up with my hands, okay? So you have to wash your hands very good, okay? So I got my hands nice and clean, and we're going to just start mixing this, okay? Another thing is you can use, you know, if you don't have vinegar, you can use your pickle juice. After you you dice up your pickles, you can just use your pickle juice. And this, so it looked like we definitely have enough soy butter. We're just gonna get it mixed up really good and we'll see. I always make big batches of food. I'm used to that. Remember I told you I'm the oldest of 12 children. I'm used to cooking for a lot of people, for large families or large households. Okay, we're just gonna get this mixed in really good. We're gonna add a little bit more vinegar. A little bit more sugar. Drop more salt. Remember that balance, you want that balance. I'm using a pink Himalayan sea salt. And I don't like my potato salad, like, I like to leave it kind of white. So I'm adding the turmeric little by little. So we're gonna see. And just finish mixing it up. Oh, it smells so good. So you do not need eggs in your potato salad, trust me. Let me tell you this story. So I don't celebrate 4th of July, okay? But I was in the US one year for the 4th of July to visit some of my family. And I was in Texas, in Houston. And my family they are not vegan. And I told them I would bring my own food. I had me and my 2 oldest children who were younger at the time. And everyone was saying what they was gonna bring. So I said, I'll bring potato salad. And they was like, vegan potato salad? And I said, yeah, why not? And they was like, without eggs? Without mayonnaise? And I said, yes. I make potato salad all the time and it is absolutely delicious. And they was like, nah, you bring your food for you and your children and we'll bring our food. So I made my own food, my own burgers, my potato salad. When we got to the house, everyone is eating their food and one of my aunties was like, let me taste that potato salad. And she tasted and she was like, oh my goodness, I don't believe there's no eggs in there and no mayonnaise. She's like, oh, such and such, come, you gotta taste this. And there's somebody else, oh, you gotta taste this. And before I knew it, there was no potato salad left for me and my children. They was putting it in containers. Now, because I'm used to this, I've been vegan my whole life, and I've seen them, you know, this happen to me all the time. Yeah, vegan. So I always make more than enough to be able to share. But I didn't think that they was not gonna even leave enough for us. but this is a true story, seriously. So please try this potato salad. I will do a separate video on how to make the vegan mayonnaise, okay? Look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Don't that look delicious? You want to try this one, okay? So we're going to bowl this up and then we're going to give it a taste, and you know, you should make this recipe right here. Be right back. Okay, so let's give this a taste. Let's see how it came out. This is really good. I know I love potato salad. I love potatoes, period. So, but how about you try it out and you tell me how you like it. Thank you so much for tuning in, for coming back to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you'll always be notified when I upload new videos. And leave a comment below. Any comment. It can just be a smile. It can be a thumbs up. You know, encourage your sister. Give me that extra push to keep it going. I appreciate each and every person who keep coming back, who watch to the end. And until next time, peace and blessings to everyone. Shalom.